If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings at the bottom of the list. Step 4. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains all security-related options, including two-factor authentication settings. Step 5. Turn off two-factor authentication. Under the Security section, tap on two-factor authentication. You will see the option to turn it off. Toggle the switch to disable it and confirm your choice if prompted. Now you have successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.